Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your shipping details on Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use Whatnot and you want to go ahead and adjust where the items are getting sent. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto the Whatnot app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. From here, click on Payments and Shipping, and then click on the pencil icon next to where it says Add Shipping Details. So that right there is a bit of blurred information, but once you click on the edit icon, you can see that you can actually add different addresses. So right now we have some more blurred out information, but simply just click on the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner and enter your new shipping address. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit your shipping address on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.